Hello students, welcome back. So I hope all of you are doing very well. So in our last class we started a chapter named Something Unexpected Happens, part 1, and it was from Heidi. So in our previous class we read that Heidi and her friend Clara, who uses a wheelchair because she cannot work properly, and her grandfather decided to go up the mountain and in one summer morning. And what happened? In the meantime, Peter arrived and he was very angry. Why? Because he had not spoken to Heidi for a long time, and today Heidi is going with Clara and her grandfather where they were going up the mountain. Okay, and Peter was so angry on Clara and Heidi that he rolled the wheelchair down the slope. Okay, till this much we had completed. Now let us start with third para, page 52. Peter ran up the mountain, not stopping till he was hiding behind a large blackberry bush. He did not want grandfather to see him, but he wanted to see what had happened to the chair, and he could see it from behind the bush. He saw the wheelchair go downhill, then it rolled over and broke into bits. The pieces flew in every direction, and Peter leaped in the air in delight. He was sure Heidi's friend would go back home. She would not be able to move about without the chair. When Heidi was alone again, she would talk to him as in the old days. Heidi now came running out of the hut and could not find the wheelchair. Grandfather was surprised by this. "Oh, we shall not be able to go today," said Clara sadly. "Or any other day. We will go up the mountain as we had planned," answered grandfather, much to the children's delight. So, let me tell you the meaning first. Blackberry, it's a kind of berry. Okay. Leaped means jumped high. Delight means great joy, means very happy. Okay. So what Peter did in order to see what happened to the wheelchair, he ran up the mountain but hiding himself from any other's view. Okay, and saw the chair roll down and broke into numerous pieces, and seeing that, Peter became very excited and happy. He was certain that he had ruined their outing, and Heidi could not go with Clara up in the mountains, and he could go to her and could talk to her and spend some quality time there. And then Heidi became very sad for not getting or finding the chair, and grandfather was also surprised, but grandfather reassured the two girls that of course he would go up, or they would go up the mountain as they had planned. Okay, so our first part is completed. I hope all of you have understood the chapter. So practice reading back at your home and try to learn all the things which has been given or which will be given. So, and take care and thank you.